Annie. This morning we watched you being at the doctor's and getting some advice on your already excellent nutrition, and so I felt really inspired to contribute to that journey towards health and purpose and bring you some exercise and movement. And of course for me that means IntenSati, so really amping up good intentions, the way we speak, the way we move. And so yeah, I want to share with you 2 blocks of this week's series. And well, what synchronicity. Patricia is on the same journey as you are, and so the series this week is totally in alignment. The affirmations are: I'm certain life is good, I'm directed from above, I am choosing this challenge, I am guided by love, my time is precious, this day matters most, I embrace the process, feeling good is my goal. So total alignment between what you're doing and what she is doing, in the most wonderful and beautiful way, I want to say, and also meaningful and interesting and so many things at the same time. So I want to share that with you. I hope you will enjoy it. I will never forget. It's been so meaningful. That one time when you showed up to my IntenSati class before one of the OXC trainings, I couldn't believe you were there. It was the very, very beginning when I first met you, and I was like, oh my God, I'm such a huge fan and like one of my male role models, and you were taking my class. That was beyond, and it was just unbelievable to have you in that class. I felt so honored and it felt so good. So yeah, so I want to share this with you. And so yeah, I'll do the moves a couple times and then I'll add the affirmations. All right, let me play some music and then here we go. Oh, hang on, thought I was playing music. Hang on, there we go. All right. Have a little bit of a dance party. Smile on your face. All right, let's go. Joy. Up. Excited. Determined. Knees up. Happy. Big circles. Free, big rainbow. Challenge, 2 knees up. Appreciate. Warrior. Nice, let's do it again. Joy, here we go. What? Excited. Determined, single knees. Happy. Free. 2 knees. Appreciate. Warrior push-up. Joy, I'm certain life is good. Excited, I'm directed from above. Determined, I'm choosing this challenge. Happy, I am guided by love. Free, my time is precious. Challenge, this day matters most. Appreciate, I embrace the process. Warrior, feeling good is my goal. Keep going, I'm certain life is good. Excited, I'm directed from above. Determined, I am choosing this challenge. I am guided by love. My time is precious. This day matters most. I embrace the process. Warrior, feeling good is my goal. Keep going, I'm certain life is good. I'm directed from above. Determined, I'm choosing this challenge. I am guided by love. My time is precious. This day matters most. I embrace the process. Warrior, feeling good is my goal. One more time. I'm certain life is good. I'm directed from above. Determined moment. I am choosing this challenge. I am guided by love. My time is precious. This day matters most. I embrace the process. Feeling good is my goal. Oh, hands at your heart. Deep inhale. Smile. And big exhale. Thank you so much for letting me share this with you. I'm sending you all the good vibes and energy. I hope you can feel it. I've generated a lot of good energy in this room, sending it your way. Such an honor to be on this journey with you, learning from you, being in your presence and learning from the lessons with your beautiful family. And thank you for the reminder that life does happen now. Every moment matters. And saying thank you. Thank you for that. Sending you big love and a lot of good energy.